Let's get right over to Caitlin right now because we're under a rare, destructive, severe thunderstorm warning.
And so let's be clear. This is a different designation than a standard thunderstorm warning, right?
Totally, yes. Jim and Marina, it's kind of a newer thing issued by the National Weather Service. It's not tornadic, but it's a severe thunderstorm warning with straight-line winds that have the potential to hit 80 miles an hour. And that can do a lot of damage, knocking down trees, knocking down power lines.
Dude, that thing is like, this thing is coming towards me. Does this look like a giant mouth? Alright, it's literally, oh my gosh. Alright, getting closer to the shore.
It is not easy to spot storms like this in Maryland, but I could easily see a very sharp-edged shelf cloud, not a wall cloud, but a shelf cloud, but right underneath that, it turned teal green. And as you know, that can be kind of a strange indication.
Yeah, this looks bad. This looks unreal. Oh my gosh.